So life originated in water and then it moved from water to the land. Plants were the first one to move from water to the land, and this movement was not easy at all, as the movement from water to the land itself a very huge stress. So now, once they have migrated to the land, now whatever the stress that comes to them, whether it's a biotic or abiotic, they have to stay at the same place and then bear the stress. We as animals, we can run away from the stress while plants cannot run away. It means that plants are resilient to almost every stress. So we asked a very simple question, that what are the factors which are responsible for the stress tolerance in the case of plants, and whether these factors help them from migration from water to the land. Hi all, I am Pradeep Kumar in the lab of Dr. Rajan Sankaranarayanan at CSIR-CCMB, where we are trying to understand and build resiliency in the plants to beat the stress. Plants produce various toxic aldehydes during stress condition, and these toxic aldehydes, they go and modify the substrate required for the protein synthesis, and ultimately blocking the protein synthesis. Yes, you heard it right, blocking the protein synthesis. Proteins which are very crucial for every life form, and if the protein synthesis is blocked, that particular organism is going to die. Like here the plant will die. Then how plant is surviving over here? So plants, they produce a very unique protein named DTD2, which actually recycles back these modified substrate, and the protein synthesis continues after it. So if there is no DTD2 protein inside the plant, and if there are a lot of toxic aldehydes outside, that particular plant dies. And we found that this particular gene, DTD2 gene, was not present before the land plant ancestor, and the land plant ancestor, which actually the first one to migrate from water to the land, they acquired this gene from Archaea, which helped them to tolerate various stresses while the migration of the land. As plant produced these toxic aldehydes under these various abiotic and biotic stress, we thought that if we increase the DT2 protein level into these plants, now they will be more resistant to these various toxic aldehydes. Why this is important? Because every year there is a 40% of global crop yield is loss is because of these various biotic and abiotic stresses. So, as a preliminary indication, what we found that if you increase the level of DT2 protein into the plant, they will become now more tolerant to the salt to the plants. So now it is worth exploring the possibilities to generate the multi-stress tolerant plant using DTD2 to fight the global climate change. Thank you.